Here I got more eBay packages. I'm gonna unbox them now. So, this is not light bulbs or any speakers. This is important stuff. I might be winning a light bulb auction. That's really gonna be the last thing. Like, it's only $4. If I don't win it, then I don't really care. So let's unbox this. Take mats. There we go. Hold on. That doesn't say matches. Rather move it out. Lucky roll. So, just the light switch cover. Yeah, I'm going to be installing a dimmer switch. Actually putting one together. I'm going to have like a portable dimmer switch. I don't have the junction box yet. I don't think we got the junction box at all yet. It'll be coming soon. I definitely will have it. But this is the light. I got a nice and durable one. It's metal. It's good quality. Don't buy cheap plastic shit. If I'm like moving around stuff. For an outlet. Here's this second smallest package. Oh, there's shit in there. Gotta read that. Get the fucking thing out of the package. There we go. What else in that package? Show you this 3-foot power cord. I'm gonna attach a longer one to the dimmer switch. This is gonna be for my GFCI. That I'm gonna be using for my computer. Some clamps to hold the wires in for the junction box. The one that's like required for electrical stuff. So I got that. There's this. For everything came in good condition. Here's a very, very nice Lutron dimmer. Gotta verify it fits. Looks like it does. Yep. I had these at my old house. But it's very nice. Well, it probably had like a 600 watt limit for the existing halogen bulbs. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Came with Moretz, the manual, screws, very nice. Came in perfect condition. Yep. I always buy reputable electrical items. Lutron is a reputable company. So here's this, right, this is a Leviton GFCI outlet that I'll be using for my gaming PC setup. I have no fucking ground outlets in this damn ass house. Like, It's ridiculous. Like the landlord, like bypassed like the ground. They cut it the wire. I like to cover off the outlet and saw the ground like cut it. I mean cut. Ground wire was cut. So this will officially provide safety for my game PC. Like if a ground ever hits like the metal case, this will like automatically trip, so I wouldn't have to worry about my PC being damaged. And even installing a ground adapter didn't even like help at all. I have no ground whatsoever, and it's so expensive to install a fucking outlet, like a 3-pole outlet. So I got this, and my parents refused to like call the landlord and stuff. So this will be reputable, safe, and good. You don't always need a ground outlet to like have like ground and stuff hooked up. You just like install like portable like GFCI like that, like what I'm like gonna use. If for like an electrician to install a new outlet, it's really expensive. Plus they gotta get behind the walls and stuff, which is bullshit. Well, I think that's good, but it's expensive. Terribly expensive. It's a lot of time to do. So that's what we save for my computer. Got the dimmer. There's more stuff coming. I need the junction box and the cords and stuff. So I received like 6 things. I actually got printer paper. Just like shit things right there. Yeah. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna end this video now.